How to make a QR code for free. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can create QR code for free for any of your business, your organization, or any other shop you wish to create a QR code. So what can the audience or the people do is that simply scan that QR code and they will be redirected to your particular company or the website that you wish to promote using the QR code. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta do is open any of the search engine you have. You can either do it on your mobile device or you can even do it on PC. So if you're using PC, you can just simply go to the Google and search for the thing I'm searching right now. If you're using Android, you can open Chrome or Google, and if you're using any iOS device, you can use Safari. So just click on your search engine and then you're gonna search for free QR code generator, and once you click on that you can just click on enter, and here you're gonna see a couple of options. The website which I find really authentic is this one, that is QR code generator. So you can just click on this, and once you click on that you will be redirected to this interface. Now here you have a couple of options over here, such as if you wish to create a QR code of URL or vCard or text or email, SMS, Wi-Fi, Bitcoin, Twitter, Facebook, PDF, MP3, app stores, image, and 2D barcodes. If you wish to create any QR code, you can just select the particular option. For example, I'm creating a URL, so I'm just going to click URL. And then you can just type down the website. You can even go to the particular website or the page and then click on the three dots over there and then click on copy link or share. Over here I'm typing the address of my YouTube channel, so I'm just going to type in and click on paste, and here after that what you're going to do is just click on generate QR code. And once you click on generate QR code, they're going to generate a QR code for you. And here are numerous customizable options that you can use to change the code. And you can also change the shape and color according to your own desire. And once you have customized the QR code according to your own choice, you can just click on download. And after that, they'll ask you for signing up. And once you sign up, you'll be able to see that you'll be able to download the QR code, and then whenever anyone scans that QR code, they will be redirected to your interface. Now over here, let's check if the QR code is actually working or not. So I'm going to scan the QR code from another device, and here you can just click on always allow. And once you scan that, you'll be able to see that I've successfully been redirected to my YouTube channel, and that means that the QR code is functional and it is working. So that was basically how you can create a QR code for free. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.